I think I have the best job in the world, and the reason for that is I get to help people get better from a problem, and they, get better. Patients get better, and to me that means a lot. I'm Chad Turner, and I'm an orthopedic hand surgeon for Providence, specializing in hand-to-shoulder care. We treat conditions of bone, tendons, nerves, blood vessels, skin. So there's all sorts of underlying tissues that can be involved. And so our job is to delineate what specifically is causing your pain and how can it best be treated to alleviate that pain. I treat patients of all ages and of all sorts of complexity. It could be some simple problem or it could be something very complicated. I treat every patient like I would want my family or friend treated. My goal is, I would say, twofold. One, to restore function, and two, to alleviate pain, and to do it in a caring manner.